Have you ever dreamt of starting your own pig farm? Most people think it's easy. Just buy pigs and feed them. But the truth is, success starts long before that. Today I'll show you how to start a profitable pig farm step by step, from zero to a real business. Let's begin. Step 1. Build the right mindset. Farming is not quick money. It's patience, hard work, and learning. When I started, I lost 2 piglets in the first month because I ignored hygiene. That pain taught me something. Consistency is everything. If you're ready to learn, record, clean, and keep pushing, you will win. Step 2. Do your research. Before spending money, spend time learning. Visit farms, ask questions, watch videos. One farmer told me, "A day of learning saved me months of mistakes." Do not rush, learn fast. It's cheaper than failure, okay? Step 3. Choose the right location. Your farm's location determines your success. Pick a quiet area with clean water, good drainage, and road access. Avoid swampy lands. Pigs hate wet floors. A dry, peaceful place means healthy pigs and faster growth. Step 4. Build the right housing. You don't need fancy structures. You need something clean and strong. Each pen should be at least 10 by 12 feet for 5 to 6 pigs. Always ensure that the pig pen is clean. A clean home equals to healthy pigs. That implies that if your pigs are healthy, you're going to get more profit at the end of the day. Step 5. Choose the right pig breeds. Not all pigs grow the same. Go for breeds like large white, landrace, Duroc or Hampshire. They grow faster and bring higher profits. If you're new, try crossbreeds. They adapt better and resist diseases. Always buy from trusted farmers, not open markets. Healthy pigs are the foundation of your farm. Step 6. Feeding and nutrition. Feeding is everything. It's 7% of your cost. Use balanced ratios with maize, soya, fish meal, and greens. Feed 3 times daily and give enough water because water is part of their diet. Remember, hungry pigs grow slow, but well-fed pigs make you rich. Step 7. Hygiene and health. Keep pens clean, dry and disinfected. Deworm every 2 to 3 months and vaccinate on schedule. A dirty pig house invites sickness and loss. Cleanliness is cheaper than treatment. Step 8. Record keeping. Write down everything. Feed use and expenses. Numbers do not lie. They show you if you are growing or losing. Farmers who keep records grow faster, always. So, as a pig farmer, you need to keep record to track the performance of your farm. Step 9. Marketing and sales. Start finding buyers early before your pigs mature. Use Facebook, WhatsApp, or local markets. Show pictures, share results, and build trust. People buy from farmers who teach and care. Step 10. Start small and grow steady. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Start with what you have. Even 2 pigs can become 20 if you stay consistent. Success does not happen overnight, but if you don't quit, just know you're going to get the results you want. It takes time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.